Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 57 here. Here we have a NASCAR Dendix for the 2023 Wave 4. We have Dale Jr.'s number 88 Bass Pro Shops 2023 car. And on the back, you can get other cars like Brandon Jones, Chase Elliott, Josh Berry, Kevin Harvick, Zane Smith's championship truck, and of course, Dale Jr.'s Bass Pro Shops car. And yes, the shadows can see that I'm holding the box because it does kind of fall over. Anyway, let's get Dale Jr. out of the box. So first off, we have a sticker, which is the classic number 88, Johnny Morris's Bass Pro Shops, Dale Jr.'s signature, and the website, BassPro.com. Actually, I'm going to put that over here. And the car just popped out, so I will move my camera over to get a better look of the race car. So here we have Dale Jr.'s car. As you can see, it still has the classic number 88 font that he always has driven, the number 88 car. So on the front of the hood is a nice black with the with Johnny Morris Bass Pro Shops club car actually. So, and on the side of the car, you got a little bit of the orange with the club card, which is something that you can get at Bass Pro Shops, I think. Because I have no idea. I have never shopped there a lot. So here we have tracker. On the back, you got tracker, boats, and ATVs. And obviously 2 little Bass Pro Shop logos and an orange number 88 with an orange spoiler. And on top of the black trunk, you got Bass Pro Shops and the club card. And you even got the website on top of there. So for Dale Jr., this will be one of 2 cars he will race. And I bet he will race this car pretty soon. Or I have no idea what the next race will be. I have seen him. I have watched the Bristol race, which he competed in, with the Hellman's Mayonnaise car. So here is a nice 360 view of Dale Jr.'s car, Bass Pro Shops club card. And that'll be all for today's episode. Well, guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more episodes will come out soon. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.